Welcome, today I'm showing how to change your icon shape into a Samsung Galaxy M04. First of all, open your Play Store and in search find X Icon Changer application, this one. Need downloading and installing. I'm already installed this, tap open. Now need close ads, maybe a few times because it's free application. And now from the list of our apps, choose something what you wanna change. Maybe YouTube will be nice. Okay, now from the our icon library, choose new style for YouTube icon. Maybe here something like this, for example, will be nice. Okay, and now for save this icon, tap OK button in the top right corner. Now wait a second for generating, then close ads again. And now here we got the message add to home screen, tap to add button here. And here we got success message, so go to our home screen and find here, yeah, we got our new YouTube icon. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.